Integration between SAP S4HANA and EWM is critical for seamless warehouse management. In this video, we'll discuss the steps required to set up the integration between SAP S4HANA and EWM. Let's start with remote function calls RFCs. An RFC enables real-time data transfer between SAP S4HANA and EWM. This allows both systems to exchange important data, such as delivery documents, stock levels, and warehouse tasks, ensuring that warehouse operations stay synchronized with the enterprise system. Next, we need to configure logical systems. Each SAP system in a landscape is assigned a unique logical system name, which helps in routing data to the correct system. By setting up logical systems, we ensure that data is correctly exchanged between SAP S4HANA and EWM, whether it's a delivery document or an inventory update. Queue management ensures that data is processed in the correct order between SAP S4HANA and EWM. Queues help maintain consistency, especially when processing high volumes of transactions. By placing transactions in a queue, the system can ensure that they are processed sequentially, maintaining accuracy in data transfers. Another key step is document and item mapping. Different document types exist in SAP S4HANA and EWM. Document mapping ensures that delivery documents created in SAP S4HANA are accurately interpreted by EWM. This mapping helps maintain consistency between systems, reducing errors and delays. Proper integration is essential for smooth warehouse operations. In the next video, we'll review key terms.